everybody, welcome back to Burst TV. My name is Charlotte. I'm a proud Burst ambassador, and this week we are celebrating all the things that we're thankful for. Micah and I had the idea of having Burst ambassadors submit their recipes and we would come on and cook one of them for you. I love recipes that you can just throw everything together, let it sit for a while in the crock pot. I have about 30 minutes before I really need to get going on another project. This one was submitted by Justine McLeod, turkey pumpkin chili. It just sounds so homey and so delicious. Okay, so first things first, we need to make sure that we have everything on our ingredients list. So we've got cooking spray, olive oil, 2 pounds of lean ground turkey, a small onion, we're going to chop that up, 3 cloves of garlic, we've got some chili powder, we're going to use a teaspoon of that, we've got 2 bay leaves that we're going to use, cumin, oregano, 2 cans of white northern beans or navy beans, we're going to rinse those off and drain them, we've got a can of chopped green chili, 2 cups of low sodium chicken broth. We'll do salt and pepper to taste, and then we'll have some chopped cilantro or green onions or chives to sprinkle on the top. And I've also got my camera so I can take some pictures of my food while I'm making it. All right guys, let's get to it. We're gonna heat up a large saute pan over high heat. I'm gonna spray it with some oil. Get this thing going. You know how it goes with ground turkey or ground beef, you just basically throw it in the pot and let it brown. It's time to chop some onions. My favorite tool is my Pampered Chef chopper. I had a slap chop before that and I wore it out. I mean, I use this probably every day. I don't know about you, but I'm usually in a hurry. The tears. Oh my God. Seriously guys, look at my eyes. Woo, it's gonna be so good. It's gonna be so worth it. This is why I didn't put makeup on. Whew. 3 cloves of minced garlic. I love this thing. Turkey's cooked, so I'm going to put that right in the crock pot. Next step, onions and garlic in the saute pan and brown those up a little bit. Okay, garlic and onions smell amazing. Now we're going to put 1.5 teaspoons of cumin. You guys, this smells so good. Garlic and onions and cumin have cooked, so now we're gonna put that in the crock pot. Here comes the really easy part. We're just gonna throw everything else in the crock pot. You know, it says to wash the beans off, and I'm going to, but my mom would have never done that. She would have just put all the yummy juices in there because that's where all the vitamins are. But we're gonna wash these out, we're gonna do it right. Pumpkin. All right, we've got our can of green chilies, 2 cups of chicken broth, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 2 bay leaves. And that's it. Mix it up a little bit and let it go for 8 hours on low, slow and steady. I'm so excited. I haven't even eaten breakfast yet, but this is gonna be ready for dinner and I hope the kids love it. Okay, time for a quick cleanup, but you know what? I'm gonna admit something. I don't buy spices on a regular basis. So for this recipe, I bought all new spices and I'm gonna go ahead and switch out the old ones. All right, it is time. Crock pot has been going for, it was like 7 hours, what, 52 minutes? She doesn't wanna talk. take some chopped chives, put that on the top. I'm not gonna add any extra salt and pepper because I'm trying to keep this low sodium. Justine, that is really, really good. So whenever I have chili, I like to add a little crunch. This might not be traditional, but some tortilla chips. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this cooking segment for Burst TV. I'll put the entire recipe in the description, and leave a comment. Tell me if you're gonna make it, if you've tried it already, and share your favorite recipe with the rest of us. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. We'll see you soon.